Hello students, today we are going to discuss about Tuxpaint. Tuxpaint is a free software for painting, for drawing, for making cartoons. So in this video I am going to tell you how to download and install Tuxpaint. So you have to first open the browser, and in browser you have to write google.com. You have to write Tuxpaint here. Now this is the website of Tuxpaint, tuxpaint.org. This is the logo of Tuxpaint, that is a penguin. So go to Tuxpaint. Tuxpaint is a free software for drawing, for painting, for making cartoons. It combines an easy to use interface. We have so many sound effects in this software. So we are going to use Tuxpaint for making different types of pictures. Now this is from where we download the Tuxpaint. Now download, you have to go for Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista. Now click on this, close, download Windows. Now there are two options, Tuxpaint 0.9.26 and Tuxpaint 32-bit. Now you can click on anyone. Click on this 32-bit. When you click on that link, you will find that the Tuxpaint starts downloading here. So in this way you can download Tuxpaint. Thank you.